Boom, what's up, guys? Gas station robbery. Philadelphia Police Department releases the video. Dudes with guns bust out in front of a dude trying to pump gas. Okay. These guys have AKs, firearms, a van, 1, 2, 3. I think I counted like 5 at the beginning of this, and they straight up blitz this guy. Okay, this isn't gonna take long, and every once in a while I see a video where something like this happens and someone sends it to me and it's like, Byron, what would you do to protect yourself if this happened? And it's like, check it out, my man. It's very simple. What you guys have heard me talk about for a very long time is living a safer pattern of life. And one of the reasons that I do have a soft skills day at the front of every single Protector Symposium is because actually, the soft skills are probably some of, if not the most important skills you can possess when it comes to professional protection. And when I say, not professional protection, personal protection, and professional protection. But when I say like what it really takes to keep yourself safe isn't really having the best Judy chop or karate chop. It's really literally being able to understand how to live a safe pattern of life and see through the matrix, the way you break down and implement your situational awareness. It's all of these things. So what do I always talk about when I talk about situational awareness and some of the soft skills? What's the first one? You guys should know by now, we've done over 100 of these videos. If you haven't found them, go to YouTube, to my YouTube channel, Tactical Protection Reviews, right? First and foremost, context. Where is my dude at? He's at Philadelphia. At night, it's dark at a gas station. What do we know about gas stations? Those are transitional spaces. What happens? Where do most attacks happen? 80% of attacks happen in transitional spaces. So we're in Philadelphia, high crime rate, gas station, transitional space. This is when and where it could go down. So you know already you're going to this place to do this thing. Could you get your gas in the morning? Maybe, homeboy. Maybe you could, maybe you can't, but it's a consideration. Your gas is getting low, it's getting dark. Like, be proactive about living a safer pattern of life, and don't go to gas stations in the middle of the night in Philadelphia when it's dark. Okay, sometimes you have to do what you have to do, but if you can do this less, or if you can come up with rules and principles in your life to where you're like, I just don't do stuff like that, literally you'll avoid a whole bunch of stuff, right? So boom, context. The next thing is tactical positioning. Like, where am I oriented in this environment, and who else is positioning on me in this environment? Well, tactical positioning. I'm sitting at my vehicle right here, and this unmarked white van, now we're looking at context, ding, we're at code yellow, unmarked white van is rolling up on me, ding, that's the second strike, right? So now we're kind of like, yo, something weird's going on. This van, when it passed him, he should be looking at this van, and he's actually doing a good job. He's at least facing the van, right? So tactical positioning. I've got this van rolling up next to me. The cool thing is he at least has an escape route based on where he's standing and where these guys are jumping out of the van. And as they're coming to him, he's able to implement one of the most effective martial arts in the world that's been working for mankind since the beginning of, to use a scientific term, pimpin' has been pimpin', which is faster than you foo, right? So he implements his faster than you foo, and hopefully actually saves his life, gets into the store. We don't have the audio, we don't know what really happened, but I'm thinking he might have actually got away, maybe just gave him the keys and had a nice day. So context, tactical positioning, and rolling risk assessment. Who in this environment is above the baseline of acceptable behavior? Who in my environment doesn't have an alibi for why they're here, or is not doing the normal things that people in this environment are doing, right? And that's how you identify the anomalies, and then you pay attention to the anomalies, and then you can make decisions and you can stay ahead of an attack like this. The thing about ambushes is if it's a good ambush, you don't even know it because you're dead. The reality is, if someone knows how to ambush you and overwhelm you, it's too late. So keeping yourself out of situations like this is a soft skill. And if you are in situations like this, implementing the other things that I talked about are the soft skills that will help you stay above the power curve. If he had his head completely turned and was on his phone or something like that, he would have been an even easier victim. But fortunately, he actually saw them and he was looking at them and he was able to beat feet and get to hopefully a safe location. So even though he got overtaken and got his vehicle taken, He got out of there in time. These are just some considerations, right? Tactical protection review. Hit the link in my bio. Let's take a look at all the ways we can learn and train together. We've got a huge online library by some of the world's most elite protectors in the Protector Symposium library over there at protectorsymposium.com. Let's make the world a safer place by helping good people to become more dangerous. Or let's train together in the flesh. Byron Rodgers, protector by nature and by trade. Share this video with your friends and your loved ones so they can live a safer pattern of life too. Boom, boom, it's finally here. Go to protectornation.com to join the Protector Nation community. Learn online and become part of our Protector Nation family. I look forward to seeing you guys there and for us all to join forces to make the world a safer place by helping good people to become more dangerous. I'll see you there, and until then, be peaceful but not harmless.